Hello. So today we'll create a file watcher in Rust using Tokio. So let's say we have a README and this is the initial content and we want to be notified as soon as the file is updated. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Add Tokio with features full, right? Then we'll do something like reading the file. So async function, read file, and then we read path, which is a stir, and then this should return a standard IO result of string. So essentially, we'll be returning the string as a content. For that, let's create the mutable string content. This is a string new, and then we return OK content. Perfect. Now let's read the file. So file is file from Tokio. We open it on the path, and then we await it, and we return error in case. Then we read file dot read to string, and then we pass in content. Wait on it, and I guess that's it. File needs to be mutable here, so let's add a mute here. And okay, so this is good. Now we'll add a function that watches file updates. Again, it will take a path, and this will take a sender from the watch. So let's add a sender was to sender from watch of tuple, and it will return anything. So we want to find the instant at which our file was last modified. So this is good. Then let's initialize it with a none. So right now we don't know what's the status. Then let's loop. So before that we might want to have a path buffer. So let path equals to path buffer from path. So this is good. Now we'll have the metadata of the file, which is equals to path dot metadata. Let's handle if let OK and remove this. Then we'll have again if let OK modified. This comes from metadata, not modified. So this is good. Now if sum modified is not equals to last modified, we'll do something like last modified equals to sum modified, and then we'll send a notification like this. So sender dot send an empty value, and then finally we want to sleep, so we'll use Tokio sleep. Yep. And for a duration of from milliseconds 100, and then we'll await on it. So this is good. Now let's jump on to our main. So let's make it async using Tokio main, and then this makes the function async. Perfect. Now let path equals to readme.md, and then we'll create a sender and a mutable receiver from watch channel. So watch channel, initializing it with an empty tuple. Now will spawn a Tokio task. So Tokyo's task would do nothing but watch the file, and this is good. Then we will loop over it. So let if receiver receives something, so receiver is changed, we await on it, and then as soon as it's changed, we'll read the file. So I think if let okay, then this has to be content equals to read file, and then path is again there, then we await on it, and then we do something like print line and then content. So I think this is sufficient. Let's start by doing a cargo run and then go to our readme. This is have the initial content. Let's add 1 2 3 4 and we get 1 2 3 4. Let's add 1 2 3 4 5 6, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6. If we were to add the full code here, we get the full code here. So this is how you would watch a file, a naive way of how you would watch a file in Rust using Tokio. That's it.